Hello, Wuwh. This is Mrs. Meyer showing you an update of the library building and the new culinary arts and fine arts area. While it doesn't look like that's ready to go, obviously, there is progress from the last time we talked. I'm here to remind you that you need to be checking in with your teachers, doing your work, making sure that if you are not passing your classes or struggling, that you are going to your asynchronous sessions and being really responsible and following up with teachers if something comes up. Please, please help us support you in the next few weeks as we get ready for Christmas break. And remember, holiday season is a really fun time, but it can also be super stressful. Stay with your sources of strength. For me, that is making sure that I stay connected with my family via Zoom for those who aren't near me, and also making sure that I'm out early, exercising, and staying involved. So please stay connected with those who matter to you and find ways to re-energize yourselves. And on a super fun note, for those of you who know and love Melito, he is the 12th man flag raiser for this week's Seahawks game. Be sure to tune in early so you can see that live, because we actually filmed it out here in front of the high school yesterday. So you will want to make sure that you see that, and it couldn't have happened to a better Seahawks fan. Go Hawks, go Wuwh, we love you, take care.
How long have you worked at Wuwh?
I have been teaching for 21 years. My first year of teaching was actually abroad. I taught in Korea at a middle school. I actually taught English for a year. And then I lived in the Portland area and taught for 12 years, mostly biology and anatomy and physiology. And then this is my 8th year at Wuwh High School.
Why do you love teaching so much?
I think I mostly enjoy kind of those aha moments from students when they've really been working hard and trying to understand a concept, and then it just kind of like comes together for them and they realize that that hard work really pays off. I also really enjoy the relationships from students. I think in high school is pretty special because you do get to see students for 4 years, and you may not always have the student in a class every 4 years, but sometimes I'll have them freshman year and then maybe again junior or senior year, or maybe I'll just come across them watching them in a school play or a sporting event, or even just in the hallway. And it's just fun to see students grow and mature and change.
And finally, what are some tips for students to stay engaged during COVID-19?
I think the biggest thing is just to find a routine for yourself and a schedule that is going to work for you. Everybody works a little bit differently. Sometimes people work better in the morning. Sometimes people work better in the afternoons or evenings. So find a schedule that works for you and really force yourself to stick to it. I think humans in general are kind of creatures of habit. And so if we can find something that works for us and sticks to it, I think we're going to find that we are more successful. When we're in school, we're definitely used to kind of that bell ringing and moving from period to period. And you don't quite have that as much, with distance learning. And so if you can do your Zooms in the morning and then either make sure that you attend in the afternoon as well, or set aside specific times, for your classes, that will be really helpful. Sometimes it means taking a break, right after your Zooms as well, and then coming back to the homework, and stuff in the evening. So whatever works for you is great, but find something and stick to it. I think also just doing something physical, it takes a lot out of you to Zoom and sit in front of the computer for a while. And so I think doing something physical, getting up and moving around, even if it's kind of walking around your house or walking around your living room or walking around the block, between Zooms or certainly between your morning sessions and your afternoon sessions, that physical activity just gets our heart rate up, your blood flowing, talking like a biology teacher now. But I think those things are really important, and sometimes we kind of underestimate the value of that. And I think lastly, just make sure that you're asking for help when you need it, whether you're more comfortable emailing or popping into those afternoon sessions or just sticking around at the end of a Zoom, or, coming a little bit early. But, don't feel bad if you have a question. We want to help students, and we rely on your questions to kind of direct, our teaching. And so ask those questions. Nothing is a dumb question. They're all going to be helpful to you. We want you to succeed, and there's a lot of people here at school to help you succeed, whether it's your teachers, the people at Gear Up, your counselors, the administrators. Everybody wants to help you succeed, and so we just kind of need, to know from you what it is that you need that's going to help you the most. So don't be a stranger. Reach out, ask for help, get some help. We want you to be successful in whatever it is that you need. So hopefully that helps. Stay motivated. You can do it, right? It says on the back wall, attitude makes a big difference. So stay positive. You can do it, and reach out for help when you need it. We are here for you.
Hey guys, this is Andrew Sayers, your after-school program director. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to tell you guys about two things. One is the 3D modeling challenge where we're doing bobbleheads of the principals. Love you guys to get involved with that. I'm going to put a link down in the description below, the video of how to make those. They are due at the end of Christmas break, so get on that. We have cool prizes for that. Another thing coming up is our esports new weekly challenges. We're going to start out with Smash on the Switch. That's hard to say. Smash on the Switch. And I want you guys to check the link in the description for more information. But we want you to sign up because next Friday, we're going to start our weekly competition. It's a team up between the after school program and ASB, and we're going to have some amazing prizes. So don't miss that. Hope to talk to you guys soon. And remember to keep your sources of strength close to you. One of my favorite things I like to do is being positive and finding fun activities, like creating videos that are really random, like the one I just made, and also to be able to share my music with supportive friends. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, Wuwh.